This, I think, is a particularly interesting motorhome, the Wingamm Oasi 540. It's a monocoque design, so it's built single shell, so it's not like walls glued together. That's the interesting thing about it. And now, first thing I've got to say is I don't know what the cost of this is, but you won't get much change out of 90,000. But isn't that great? Look at that, a huge lounge on wheels. You've got the bed up there, and perhaps I better not pull the bed down, or should I? No, I won't. But the bed will come down. You can see more or less where the bed comes down to. Actually, it's about here, so it's quite high up. Roughly where the in fact, you wouldn't be able to open these doors. So but it would allow you still to continue sitting down in this wonderful lounge at the bottom. Let's have a quick look into the toilet. Look at that, huge. You've got hectares of space in there. You could play football in there. It's so big, it's enormous. And here we've got the wardrobe. And down here we've got, a bit of storage there as well. Now, I think for vehicles in this size and class, this is absolutely outstanding vehicle, in my opinion. The way it looks, and you've got stacks of space, but you can park it just about anywhere in the 6 meter class. Absolutely, and under 6 meters, it'll go anywhere. There's your fridge. Is that? No, I'm not going to open that because I can see it hasn't. It's still in its packing stuff, and look at that. Oh, is that somebody coming in here, locking the doors? No, it's not being. I'm not being locked in. This one's coming with aircon up there. Got a television, table, absolutely enormous. Look, you've got flat floor all the way back. Right, now, because I just stumbled across this one here, I wasn't prepared on the information front. But if you look at the description, you'll get more information there. What about this here? The way this sort of goes up like that, then. That's a really sort of Italian design. Sink as well. Look how big it is. You can easily wash stuff up in that. Anyway, there's will be more information in the description. But this vehicle really does. It really appeals to me. Would it be suitable for me? Probably not, because there isn't a garage to put my bike in. For the bike, that is really important for me. Now, as I come out, and even this door is pretty elegant. And right, really very nice vehicle. So, thanks for watching. That was a quick one-off, and if you found that interesting, then there's plenty more vans on this channel. Thanks for watching.